Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Warm welcome to our online class. Good morning.
Good morning.
Once again, welcome. I welcome you all in our online class. Okay. So first we will do some warm up. Okay. In the morning, we will do some warm up. So clap your hands. Yes, faster, faster. Okay. Stop. Okay. So we will start today's our topic. But before going to our topic, we will play one game. Okay.
Yes.
So in that game, we have to clap our hands. Okay. But see how we have to clap and what we have to say. Okay. So you know the numbers from 1 to 50.
Yes, teacher.
Children, yes, you know the numbers. Okay. So, Ikra, tell me the numbers from 1 to 50.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay,
21.
stop. Yes, Ikra, stop. You have to say faster, little faster you have to say, huh? Like 21, 22, 23, 24, like that. Okay, so start now from 21.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Very good. Very nice, Ikra. Okay. So now we have to clap and we have to say the numbers. But observe me carefully how I'm going to tell the numbers and then you have to do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. So in these numbers, which number I have skipped? Okay, in this 1 to 20 numbers, which number I have skipped?
Miss मैं बोलूं? 5.
Yes, 5. 5, very good. And
20.
20, very nice. Okay, very good. So you have to skip the number 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Okay, and you have to play this game. Okay, are you ready to play this game?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Ready.
Yes. So who is going to start first? But you have to say the numbers quickly, huh? We play the game, na? Be quick. So you have to say the numbers quickly. Okay. So first, who will start?
Miss मैं बोलूं?
Yes, start, beta. But you have to clap and tell the numbers, huh? Clap and tell. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
No,
10.
Naman, stop. Naman, you have to skip the number 5. Skip means you don't have to say number 5, number 10. So be careful and then play the game. Okay? Start, Naman.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay. Okay, first I'll show you and then you do. What I want to say is 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the number 5. Don't say number 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Now start, Naman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29,
Yes, yes. 31, 32.
32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39,
41,
41,
42,
44, 46, 47, 48, 49.
Yes, Naman, you got it. Very nice, Naman. Very good. Okay, so this is the game when you are saying the numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, sometimes you skip the numbers. Okay, so this is the way you can play the game. Okay, so this 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. You know these numbers comes in which table?
5.
Table of 5. Very good, Ikra. Very nice. So you know table of 5. Okay, can you tell me the table of 5, Ikra? 5 ones are 5. You can...
5 ones are 5. 5 ones are...
5 twos are 10.
No, teacher, can I read?
Yes. Start, beta.
5 ones are 5.
5 twos are 10.
5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are
5 fours are
20. 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50.
Very good, Rehan. Very nice. You all children are very good, intelligent and smart. Okay. So today we are going
Thank
to...
you, teacher.
Our subject is maths and I'm your Alka teacher and we will now move ahead. Okay. Do you like this game?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
I like it.
So yes, for this game, you have to observe and you have to think and you have to remember the numbers carefully and what the instruction teacher is giving you, that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay. So play with your friends this game. You have to play with your friends. Okay. So now we will move to our topic. We will learn today clock. Okay. Clock part 2. For that, I'll show you my presentation that you have to see and I'm asking you questions. You have to give me the answers. Okay, are you ready for that?
Ready, teacher.
Ready?
Ready.
Give me thumbs up. Sit properly. Give me thumbs up and watch your screen carefully. Okay. Okay. Today's our topic is let's learn clock part 2. Subject maths and I'm your Alka teacher. Okay, now what is this? What is the name of this picture?
Clock. Clock.
Clock. Very good. Okay, this is the clock. How many hands?
3 hands.
How many hands? Yes,
3
clock
hands.
has 3 hands. Yes, give me the answer in full sentence. Huh? The clock has 3 hands. Say.
The clock has 3 hands.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Now you have to see where is the R hand. Okay. If the R hand is on 1, so it is 5 minutes. Okay. When the R hand, minute hand is on 2, 10 minutes. When the minute hand is on 3, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. Okay, this is the table of 5. Understood? This is the table of 5. Yes, so there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Yes, remember this. I will ask you again. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Seconds.
60 seconds.
1 minute means 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 is the same, but see the minutes and second is different. And here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now how many hands are there in a clock?
3 hands. 3 hands.
Hands. Very good. Yes, correct, children. Very nice. So you know everything, na? You didn't forget. So one is hour hand, minute hand, and the third is second hand. Okay, this you have to remember. Always you have to remember this thing. Okay, now we are revising. Okay, so tell me the time.
60 minutes. 6 p.m.
6 p.m. Very good. So I told you na how to say 6. I tell you na how to read the clock. Now see this clock. Look at this clock.
1 p.m.
1 p.m. That is 1 o'clock. You have to use this word, huh? You have to use this word o'clock. Okay. 1 p.m. is also correct and 1 o'clock. There is 2 ways to say the time. Now look at this. Rehan.
11 o'clock.
Yes, very good. So you know how to say the time, right? Now look at this first clock.
4
Look at this clock.
4 o'clock.
Yes. Now this second one. In the second clock.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. See the third clock.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Now this fourth one.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Now this.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock.
12.
12
Okay.
o'clock.
So when 12 o'clock, both the hands are together. Okay. In a day, there 2 times both the hands are together, in noon and at night. Okay. So very good, children. You remember all these things. Okay. Now look at this picture. Which shape is this?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Circle. And in that circle, see the red color part. Red color portion. What we call this part? See, I have written in this cloud shape. This is the quarter part. Okay, this is new for you. So you know the circle, you know the half, but you don't know this shape. Okay, so like in a circle, this part, okay, it is called quarter. Okay, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. It is quarter. Okay, keep in mind this word you have to remember, because the clock which we are going to learn today, you have to use this word, quarter. Okay, repeat after me. Quarter. Quarter. Very good. Okay, now I will teach you how to read this type of clock. Okay, when both the hands, okay, hour hand and minute hand, we have to see both the hands and then we have to tell what's the time. So here this orange hand, that is the R hand, it is on 1, and it is not exactly on 1, but little this side of 1 and 2. Okay, not in the middle, but it is little up. So this is on 1. So 1 you have to keep in mind. And this black hand, that is the R hand, it is on 3. Okay, so from 12 it is travel till 3. So for this part we will use the word quarter past, because this hand has moved from here to here. So what we will use? The word quarter past 1, and this R hand is on 1, so we will write 1. So the time is quarter past 1. Okay, you can see this blue color slide, blue color, quarter past 1.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so keep this in your mind that when the minute hand is on 3, at that time you have to say quarter past 1. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And the another way to tell the answer is 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, this is also the time you can say 1 hour and 15 minutes, because the hour hand is on 3. So here it is 5, 10, 15. So 15 minutes are there. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that 3 means 15. Okay, so 1 hour and 15 minutes. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now look at this clock and try to tell me the answer. Where is the hour hand? Where is the hour hand?
On 2.
On 2. And where is the minute hand?
3. On 3.
Yes, very good. 3 means how many minutes?
15.
15. Correct. And how we will give the answer? What's the time in the clock? Okay, I will show you. Quarter past 2. What you have to say? Quarter
past 2.
2. Or you can say 2 hours and 15 minutes.
2 hours and 50 minutes. 15 minutes.
Yes, very good. 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the way you have to give both the answers. Now we will see next slide. Okay, here it is both the hands on 3, but this R hand is little up this side. Okay, not exactly on 3, but it is little here. Okay, so now tell me the time. Which word we will use?
Quarter past 3.
Yes, very nice, Naman. Very good. Quarter past 3. So 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay.
3 hours and
so here is the hour.
15
yes,
minutes.
3 hours. Yes, 3 hours and 15 minutes. Why 3? Because this R hand is on 3. And why 15? So this hand is on 3. 3 means 5, 10, 15. So 3 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, now Ikra, can you tell me what's the time, Ikra? Naman?
Quarter past 4.
Quarter past 4. Correct. Very nice. Yes, quarter past 4. This clock is little difficult for you.
Past 4.
Yes. Yes.
4
This clock
hours and 15 minutes.
Areva, very nice. Yes. So this is difficult, but if you will observe it carefully, na, and whatever I'm telling you, if you will observe that, you will get the answer. You have to just remember this, quarter past. Now see the next. What's the time?
4, 5.
Quarter past 5. Yes. Very good.
Past 5.
5 hours and 15 minutes. Well done, children. Now,
Quarter past 6. Quarter past 6.
very good. Quarter past 6 and
6 hours and 15 minutes.
6 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, now, yes, Naman, can you tell me the spelling of quarter?
Quarter.
Okay, now listen, beta, listen. Yes, Naman, listen carefully. no. Quarter, okay? Just see the spelling also.
Quarter.
Very good. Now tell me the time.
Quarter past 7 hours and 7 minutes.
Yes, quarter past 7 and 7 hours and 15 minutes, or you can say 7:15 a.m. or p.m. Okay. Ikra, tell me the answer.
Quarter past 8 minutes. Quarter past 8
Quarter past. Yes, 8 hours and 15 minutes. Well done. Okay.
15 minutes.
Good. Next.
Quarter past 9.
9. Very good. Quarter past 9 and 9 hours.
9 hours and 15 minutes. 9 hours 15 minutes.
Okay, now look at this clock.
Quarter past 10. 10 hours 15 minutes. Quarter past 10. 10 hours and 15 minutes.
Yes, very good. Very nice, children. Keep it up.
Quarter past 11. Quarter past 11. 11 hours 15 minutes.
Very good. Great, children. Great. Now this is the last clock. Tell me the answer.
Quarter past 12 hours and 15 minutes.
Yes, well done. Very good. Okay, now these 2 different clock I'm having and you have to tell the time. Okay, so first observe this clock and tell me what's the time. See where is the hour hand and minute hand. This is the minute hand and this is the hour hand.
2:15.
Okay, so yes, but I told you na which word you have to use. Which word you have to? Quarter past.
Quarter past 2.
Yes, look here. Okay, quarter past 2. You have to focus on this hour hand. Yes. Okay, quarter past 2. That also means that 2 o'clock and 15 minutes. Very good. Now tell me the time here in the second clock. See here.
Quarter past 10 minutes. Quarter past 2 hours and 50 minutes.
Yes. Naman, focus on the second. focus on this second clock. 2 hours and 15 minutes we have done. Now focus on this clock.
Quarter to 2010.
3 is hour hand, 3 is minute hand. Okay, this is minute hand and this is hour hand on 10. Hour hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 3. So
Quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. 10 hours and
correct.
10 minutes.
10 hours and 15 minutes. Yes, very good. Very nice. Okay. Okay, now look here. There are 3 clocks. Okay. And you have to give me the answer of the second clock. First, see the answer of first clock. So it is, again, I am revising. So this hour hand is on 1 and this is on 3. So at that time, we will say that quarter past 1. So like this way, you have to tell me the number. Quarter past I have written. So you have to write down here numbers. So tell me which number I will write here.
Quarter past 5. Quarter past 5.
Yes, correct.
5.
Okay. Okay, so I will write down here 5. Very nice. Now, observe this clock, the third one.
Quarter past 11. 11. Quarter past 11.
Very good. Very nice. 11. Okay, so this is not 11. Okay. Now, tell me the answer. Observe the first clock.
Quarter past 6. Quarter past 3. Quarter past 6.
Quarter past 6. Very good. In the next clock.
Quarter
What I
past
should write?
12.
Yes. Very good observation. Huh? Very good, children. And the third?
Quarter past 8. Quarter past 8.
Lovely. Very nice. Very good, bacha. Now, can you tell me?
Quarter past 10. Quarter past 10.
1, 0, 10. Okay.
Quarter past.
Now the second.
Quarter past 3. Quarter past
Yes.
7. Quarter
3. Very good. And past 7. Okay. Okay. Well done, all of you. Very nice. Okay. Very good. Well done, children. Very nice. Okay. So you know how to tell the time in the clock now. Okay. So we will revise what we have learned today. So we have learned how to tell the time, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Okay. And then we have moved to the quarter past. Okay. At that time, you have to see where is your hour hand and minute hand. You have to see it and then you have to give the answer. Okay, I'll ask you a few questions. Okay, so tell me the answer that 1 hour means how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Very good. And 1 minute is equal to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Well done. Keep it up, children. So, do you like this lesson?
Yes. Yes.
About the clock? Do you like? Yes, yes. So, yes, play with your clock, okay? And ask your friends that what is the time in the clock, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you like this lesson, please do like and subscribe our channel. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, miss.